Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vegan sourdough chocolate chip cookies. These organic cookies are crispy on the edges and soft and chewy in the center, and they use up sourdough discard. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Add 113 grams of vegan butter, 170 grams of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. If you're not vegan, you can also feel free to use regular butter in this recipe too. Add in 113 grams of sourdough discard and a quarter cup of coconut milk. Next, add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Mix on low until combined into a stiff cookie dough. Last, add in 198 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and 85 grams of chopped dark chocolate. You can also reserve some of the chocolate for the top of the cookies if you want. Mix on low until the chocolate is completely combined. Using your hands, roll the cookie dough into 12 balls and place on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets, spacing them evenly apart. You'll have 6 cookies per sheet. If you're adding the reserved chocolate on top, you can do that now. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. For perfectly round cookies, you can round them out with a cookie cutter right after they come out of the oven. If you want more easy organic cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.